What's up, guys? We're going to put the previous things we have learned all together. Here's what it's going to look like. Let's get to it. We're going to start by breathing in sixth position. From here, we will transition into first by placing our weight on the heels of our feet and turning out. We will breathe here. We will then move into parallel by placing our weight on the balls of our feet and turning out into parallel. Let's go back to the beginning and try that. Sixth position. And 1, 2, 3, 4, out, 5, 6, 7, 8. First. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Parallel. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's try that to some music. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You just learned your first combo. Hope it wasn't too hard. See you soon.